Sonata for Syria 3, music for airports. In airports, in belly broken, I wait for air, for water, for food. In slow motion, I sit, sounds clouded, mind numbed, chaos blurred. O guardians of the homeland. My suit soiled, my hands now steady. I remember to breathe, to inhale the stale smoke and anxious air of reluctant migrants, to exhale the heaviness inside. Upon you be peace. Like the little prince's drunkard, I try to forget that I am ashamed that I am alive, ashamed that I live here still, that my voice has lost its timbre. Our proud spirits refuse to be humiliated. In August, there was Layla. In October, Saeed. In November, 12 of us in one room, soft snow on sills. 10 survived the blasts. 3 survived the winter. And now, in airport, in awe, inept, I sit alone.
Yeah.